What is up, all my geeks and gamers? TechGeek1019 here, coming at you with another VirtualBox Mavericks tutorial. As I said in the previous tutorial, I said I would show you guys how to fix the resolution so that it can go full screen, and that is what we're going to do today. So let's load up our virtual machine. It moved to my other monitor for some reason. Don't ask me why. But anyway, as you well, no, actually, you didn't see it because it didn't record. But anyway, it's not mounted to the installer anymore, so it just loads up by itself instantly. You don't have to hit anything, and it'll start to load up. It should be a lot quicker to load up this time, because this is not the first time that we're loading up. So it should go a bit quicker, hopefully, and then we can fix the resolution. So what this is going to require is we're going to have to edit a file inside of the Mac and then run a command outside of our virtual machine. So let's wait a second for everything to load in. Everything looks good here. Alright, we've got our stuff down here. Text wizard, good. Okay. So if we go into Finder, let's wait a second. Actually, before we do that, Finder, Preferences, Advanced, no, sidebar, and we're gonna check hard disks. I said hard disks. There we go. So now if we open up Finder, we can have our disk. Okay, so we're going to go to System, Library. Oh, actually, we could try the other one. Not sure if this is gonna work, but okay, org.chameleon.boot.plist is an extra folder. So we're gonna open that up. And in here, we are going to type a new thing, and it's gonna be right above on the first line, key, and then the triangle thing, I don't know what to call it. And we're gonna type graphics mode, and then /key. And then under that, we're going to have a string, and the string is going to be our resolution. So in my case, 1920 by 1080 by 32, and /string. So you can do whatever resolution you want. If you want it to go full screen, just know your computer's resolution and type that in. So that should actually be good for now. So we're gonna shut down, and yes, we're gonna shut down. Now when you shut down, the mouse is probably going to freeze like it just did. It's gonna bring up the spinning wheel, and then the spinning wheel should stop spinning, and that's when you can shut it down manually by hitting this up here. So let's see if it does that. Hold on a second. It should stop. There we go. So it stopped, so we can power off the machine. And we want to close VirtualBox. And we're going to open up a command prompt. And once again, like the last time, we are going to cd to our VirtualBox folder. Boom. Oh, oops, I forgot to type cd. Okay, so now we're in that, and now I have inside of here, I have the code, and it's going to be vboxmanage setextradata, then your virtual machine name, then custom video mode 1, and then the resolution that you want. So I'm going to paste this in here. I mean, the resolution that you typed in to the last thing. So we're going to go Mavericks, and it won't say anything, and there you go. So now, if we are to boot this up again, it's probably going to show up on my other monitor, and I'll bring it over here. Yep, just what I thought. I don't know why it does that to me, but as you can see, it's a lot bigger, and if you hit Control F, it will go to full screen mode, and as you can see, it appears that we have a Mac, like, on this computer itself. Like, it looks like it's a Mac built in, basically. So now we'll let this load up here. There's the arrow, so it should load up in a second. And hold on. And there we go, it boots in. Everything boots up. Don't check. And there we go. Everything seems to be running pretty smoothly. Remind me tomorrow? I don't know. No, let's ignore that. So, well, that was talking about an update, because this is 10.9, the regular 10.9. This has 10.9.3. You can update to that. It will work. And you'll just have to restart, but I'm not going to do that right now because we're not going to do that in this tutorial. So there you go. It is now full screen and completely working. There we go. We got nice Finder window. It may be a little laggy, but that's only because I didn't allocate that much RAM. When it's full screen, you might want to allocate a little more video RAM than I have right here. As you can see, it comes with Text Wizard, uTorrent, and Hackstore. Text Wizard is for installing new texts, which we'll probably have to do when I fix the audio. uTorrent, you could just download torrented files, obviously, and Hackstore has a bunch of apps for it's actually, I think it's torrented apps. So like if I were to look up, it's all free, and I believe if you put in like Photoshop, did that not work? What happened? Glitching out a little bit, or hold on, Picasa, because I saw that in the thing. There's Picasa, and see, you don't even have to like buy it. It's right here. Why didn't Photoshop work? No Photoshop in here. Interesting. So that's pretty much what Hackstore is, where you can get a bunch of stuff if you don't want to pay for it. So that's just about it. I'm gonna go out of full screen here, and I'm gonna shut it down. Okay, so that's pretty much gonna do it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this helped. If it did, be sure to hit that like button, leave a rating if you could, as well as subscribe for more tutorials. Next time we will fix the audio, because I actually haven't figured that out yet. Once I figure it out, I will get you guys that tutorial. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you next time. Peace!